How to log in Telegram with Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log in Telegram with Gmail, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log into Telegram with Gmail, all you have to do is you can open up Telegram, and when I open up Telegram and tap the start messaging option, right off the bat you can see that the very first thing it's going to ask me is to simply enter my phone number. So it will not ask me for my email address because Telegram does not require you to have an email to log in. All it requires is that you have a phone number and you have access to that phone number so that you can receive the activation code. Now you don't need to log into Telegram with Gmail, and in case you don't have an account on Telegram and you don't have a phone number but you want to create a Telegram account, you can create that using a virtual phone number, and there are many websites out there, but to give you an idea, with Gmail it's simply not possible. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.